Hello honeys, here's a quick way to do Bantu knots.
So, Bantu knots, let's go. I've already sectioned my hair as you can see. All you need are your regular products, so moisturize the hair as per usual, some extra gel for the edges, and you can actually add some hair ties to that. It literally grab your hair just like that, split your hair in half just like that. Not too tight now, we don't want to tug on the edges. And then with both these sections, you literally start a 2-strand twist. Look at your mirror for a guide. Thereafter, for volume, you literally release it slightly from the ends of your hair. You start creating the knot. Now all you do is just go around that center, just like that. Your first Bantu knot done. It's got volume and it is tight enough. Now for our next section, it is a bigger section, so I'm using a bigger scrunchie as well. Onto this side of the hair, secured with another elastic band. For that final touch, we're adding a little bit of gel.
Next time you need a quick and easy hairstyle, search for Bantu knots.